Anadia make an on there. Yeah, how do you feel? What you be mesiketi? How do you feel? Yeah, intina nkwasi ewuno ane waha yewuno Ghana ha. Yeah, nkwasi ewuno ane muomu. What you be siketi? And you know you will not marry the person. So why are you receiving his favors? This is a generation that does not reflect. They break your heart, and for them it was just an affair. Your heart was in that thing. They don't see it like that. But the truth, guys, is that, I close with this. The truth is that we shall all appear before the judgment seat of Christ. This Jesus is not a Bible story. This Jesus, guys, is not, history. This Jesus is not religion. This Jesus is not some kind of religious routine and religious, what is a custom. This Jesus is not a custom. This Jesus is a relationship. This Jesus is a lifestyle. This Jesus is a mindset. This Jesus is a culture. This Jesus, he is real, more real than your clothes. This Jesus is real. So yesterday in that memorial service, the preacher said something. I love it so much. He said, I will never lie at your funeral. I will never lie at your funeral. I will come to your funeral and tell the people at your funeral who you are. I will come and tell the people who you are. This Jesus is too real. Let's welcome him. Yeah. But this evening you have an evening party, and that evening party, the Holy Ghost is not part of it.